The only thing that sucks worse than this party is the tacos. I bet they're gonna make good French fries, but their tacos suck. Alright guys, it's about 7 in the morning. Everybody's getting loaded up. We're about ready to start our trek to Maggie Valley, North Carolina for the Mini Nat show. Tell you what, I'm trying to get these stickers for you guys so we can pass them out. See what happens. I saw the melt truck go by, so we'll see if they got in there. I'm supposed to meet them up there at 9. There's little Froggy boy. What up, baby? Fucking getting ready to go. Got a couple trucks with us, and keep following along, keep watching these videos and see what the hell we get ourselves into. But if anything, we'll see you guys in Maggie Valley. Here we go. What'd you say? Here we go. Alright, so we're stopping here in the middle of fucking nowhere. Hey Tommy, why are we stopping?
Turn this fucking thing in four-wheel drive.
Four high, you know, doing 78, 80 mile an hour.
He's out here trying to blow trannies, but he ain't got no Bud Light to do it.
Hey Frog, so are we gonna... Oh, okay. Here, let me know. You put it in 4 high?
No, it didn't by itself.
Anyways, we made it, bro. We made a little pit stop. Been a good time. I don't even know where we're at. Over here. Keep moving. There we go, guys. You know, another car show with more rain and coming. It's the cold hearted way. Thank God Dan's an amazing driver.
What's up?
And, yeah, we're gonna see how this works out. See everybody in Maggie Valley soon. East Coast. I'm in the rain for y'all. Finally not raining. It keeps raining out here, but still having a good time. Shit makes his nipple hard.
Shit does make my nipples hard. I don't give 2 fucks.
But no,
it makes my butthole tickle.
But no, we're enjoying this time, man. Again, always saying this stuff, but if you ever been to Mini Nats, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you need to. It's worth the drive. Hell, these fools made it, what?
33 hours.
33 hours, and they still driving. So, make your ass get out here, enjoy it. Can't miss it.
waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. I'll do it again. Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could've swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moonshine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again.
I don't know if you guys can hear me. We are sitting here about ready to get to see the very first issue of Minitruckin magazine. This shit's gonna be dope. And this guy right here is gonna be in the ads and everything. Better hit him up. I'll be at some apparel, guys.
So,
Say it louder, they might hear you.
you got that, Matt? You got it?
I don't think you said it loud enough.
So, are you nervous yet? Because I am. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's not even my magazine. You guys are ready to see the cover and make some noise.
There we go. That's what I wanted right there. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh, hey!
That's not that. No.
Pretty sure that's the
Something-
sexiest man alive. Isn't it?
Something went wrong there. Hang on.
That's that.
I don't think that's. I don't think that was supposed to be
There's the real one.
exposed.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed. 'Cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers. 'Cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down.
bunch of secrets over here. Did Martha Stewart teach you that? Crazy bitch.
She said, bring all the homies to the yard, or boys to the yard, or something. Oh, wait, no.
Milkshakes.
That was serious. That was serious.
Hers is chicken. I don't like this. Nope. You don't fuck with shit that's bigger than you. I'm gonna say that. That's not a fucking horse, you know? Johnny, hey, where's Forrest at?
She would tell me tales that would leave